Diba?
Na-remember mo pa ba yun, bro, na kapag meron kang Nokia 5510 tsaka 3210 na may snake, bida ka na.
What made me realize about it is that yung mga ginagawa natin dati as a child, yun na yung dream natin ngayon as an adult.
Yeah. Simple.
We all just slept, played, ate. And then after that, ngayon, as an adult, parang yun na yung dream. Dream na lang natin yun.
Kasi
we can't do it.
We can't do it.
We can't. We have responsibilities na kasi.
You have to make money, come on.
Dito lang dati na we don't have responsibility.
Naglalaro ka ngayon as adult as compared before na bata ka pa, wala kang iniisip. Kasi ngayon, meron ka ng responsibility. You should be making more money. Why are you playing? Parang yun na yung mental dialogue sa utak ko. Bakit naglalaro ka pa?
Yeah.
Hello and welcome to another episode of the Press Play Podcast. I'm Ian, your pabida-mida, multi-potentialite or jack of all trades, and I'm here with my co-host,
Dread, simpleng tao pa rin hanggang ngayon.
So, today's topics, bro, for this podcast, para maiba naman yung pacing, masyado tayong seryoso, no?
Right.
For the past few episodes. I'd like to talk about our childhood memories.
Yes.
From the 90s kids.
Oh, 90s kids.
I was born in 1996.
Yep.
How about you?
1995 ako, bro.
So, pasok na pasok.
Yes.
So,
90s.
currently, I'm 28. Ikaw, 20.
28 rin, but turning 29.
29.
Yeah.
So, round off 29.
Yeah, sure. 29 na lang.
29 na lang.
29 na lang, bro. Okay, I accept.
So, anyways, bro, Batang 90s is very, very memorable or something that we could look back to. It's because we are kind of in the transition of having less technology and somehow transitioning into the technology of internet. Kasi 'di ba yung internet na experience natin yan mga year 2000s na.
Yeah, about late
dial-up.
1990s niya actually.
So we actually experienced some of the things that Gen Zs didn't experience. Or yung mga newer generations didn't experience.
Yeah.
So what do you think are some of the things na most memorable sa iyo na hindi kailangan ng technology?
Yung sa akin, this is probably like yung mga elementary grade school, yung mga ganun, right? Always remembered with family talaga kami. You know, every summer, pagkatapos ng school, we would go, let's just say siguro sa Samal or sa mga provinces ba, mga mainit, hot springs, mga ganun. Like, tatak yun sa akin. Yung anytime pupunta kami sa mga mga beaches, mga ganun, mga resort, hindi naman siguro resort, but places kung saan ka pwede maligo. Parang ganun. That's why parang lumaki rin ako na loving the beach or loving some sort of body of water, just looking at it, experiencing it, ganun. Kahit di ako maligo, okay lang sa akin.
Basta nandun ka.
Basta nandun lang ako sa setting na yun just because I find it very calming.
Yun.
You know, sa akin. Yeah.
So that's one of the most memorable thing without any single piece of technology. Walang internet, walang cellphone, 'di ba?
Yeah, well, like wala rin namang internet na mobile before, I would say, 'di ba? And then after that yung mga, let's just say electronics, minimal lang siguro.
Yes.
At that time siguro uso na ata yung mga
Nokia 5510,
Nokia, yung mga ganun. That's
3210.
like, yeah, yun
tapos,
na yung pwede mo i-consider as technology, di ba?
Na-remember mo pa ba yun, bro, na kapag meron kang Nokia 5510 tsaka 3210 na may snake, bida ka na.
Dude, bida ka na, bro. Like, you have to beat the, yung snake na game. Yung snake na game sa rin sa mga memorable.
Yeah, memorable. Space Impact.
Oh, yun.
Maganda.
I love that game.
Yeah.
Space Impact, ikaw sa'yo ba? Ano ba mga, or let's just say one very memorable childhood mo na memory? Or
yung
event?
alam mo yung wala kang gagawin, kain, tulog, study, laro. Yun lang. Yun lang. Yes, repeat. Tapos, every time pupunta ka sa sa mga friends mo, maglalaro kayo ng tumbang preso.
Tumbang preso. Yep.
Grabe. Tapos, grabe, napaka-active ko nun. Like, we play basketball, we play badminton. We play saksak baril.
Oh, saksak baril yun.
Yung,
What made me realize about it is that yung mga ginagawa natin dati as a child, yun na yung dream natin ngayon as an adult.
yeah. Simple.
We all just slept, played, ate,
eat.
and then after that, ngayon, as an adult, parang yun na yung dream. Dream na lang natin yun.
Kasi
We can't do it.
we can't do it
We can't
anymore.
we can't do it parang as part of the routine ng life natin because it's not, hindi talaga siya possible. We have responsibilities
Yes.
na kasi.
You have to make money, come on.
Dito lang dati na we don't have responsibilities.
Kasi wala pa tayong bills, wala pa tayong utang binabayaran.
But yeah.
So, yeah, that's just something na siguro na-experience natin, no? As young kids na hindi pa masyado, hindi pa gaano kaganda yung technology.
Yeah.
Unlike now, kita mo yung mga bata ngayon, bro. Anong hawak?
Mga handheld device. May phones na,
May
di ba?
phones na.
Very
May
young age.
tablet na.
Can't blame them.
Can't blame them.
Can't blame them kasi parents
Grabe
rin yung may
yung-
ano nun, di ba?
Yeah.
You
Grabe.
give your kids eh.
Grabe yung yung evolution ng technology.
That's true. What was your bro? Like, what was your first piece of technology ba?
I think brick game siguro.
Brick game?
Brick game.
Yeah, I think same
Same,
tayo.
same.
Brick game rin.
Brick game.
Then nag-level up ako into yung family
Computer.
computer. Yung parang meron pang joystick, and then cartridge.
Cartridge. Tapos,
Ganun mo pa.
oh,
Yeah. And then after that, nag-evolve ng Tamagotchi.
Tamagotchi yung
parang meron kang online, online virtual pet.
Virtual pet.
Virtual
Tapos
pet
may
mo.
maliit parang
It's
Uso
very
yun.
small. Uso yun dati. And then after, I really love that one kasi parang meron ka ng meron kang inaalagaan. Parang intro to adulthood mo. Parang ganun. Pero bro, like that thing keeps on dying.
Yeah.
Pero it was a fun moment.
Fun moment talaga. For me, one of the most memorable din is yung pumupunta ako sa bahay ng playmate ko. Shout out kay Borge Bahaw. Yan. 2 years younger ata siya sa akin or 3 years younger. Naglalaro kami ng PS1.
Yeah.
Meron kasi siyang PS1.
Alam
Tapos,
mo, mayaman.
Basta may ganun. Di ba
basta
dati,
ganun na, diba?
meron kang PS1, meron kang PS2, meron kang Game Boy Advance. Considered ka na.
Mayaman.
Rich kid.
You're a rich kid.
Rich kid.
So everybody
Rich kid
goes
yun.
to the rich kid's house.
Yes. Kasi, tayong mga yung mga walang, hindi naman, mahirap. Pero yung parents natin, if hindi sila maka-afford, makilaro tayo.
Yeah, of course.
Makisama tayo. Then, doon din tayo natuto kung paano mag-build ng relationship.
Correct.
Right?
Yeah.
So, yun, PS1. So, yung mga laro doon, mga Tekken, yung mga earlier version ng
Street
Tekken.
Fighter.
Oh, Twisted Metal,
Wow.
mga Bloody Roar, ganyan.
Contra, bro.
Kontra
Sa PS1.
sa PS1,
Imagine.
family computer. Ngayon, tapos nun, Game Boy Advance SP. Grabe.
That's
First
true.
handheld ko.
Yeah?
Game Boy Advance
Game Boy
SP.
Advance. Pinaka-first ko ata na handheld is Nintendo rin. Pero DS na.
DS.
Nintendo DS. Yeah.
Yung may yung
flip thing,
tapos
and then
may pen.
May touchscreen pa,
May
bro.
touchscreen
I
pa.
was the king.
Yes, like, uy, meron kang ganun.
I know.
Sikat ka.
Dude, that was crazy.
Kada recess, ikaw yung hanapin
I
na,
know. Like, bro,
laro tayo. bro.
laro ka.
Tapos ka na.
Then, Pokemon pa talaga yung number 1 na game
Pokemon.
talaga. Na, yeah, people would trade Pokemon talaga.
Yes.
Like,
That's, very free days talaga.
very free days siya, you know. Pero, I couldn't, rin naman, kasi like, back then, it was still hard in a way, kasi nga, parang, parang, I guess siguro mahirap siya in our parents' eyes. It's because we feel like parang nadidistract tayo sa mga
Studies
natin, right?
Yeah.
Yun nga rin yung isa sa mga comment lagi ni Mama na lagi ka na lang naglalaro niyan, Ragnarok Online.
Oh.
Ito, PC na to. Okay?
PC na,
level up na tayo. So this
PC.
is like what? Mga
High school.
around high school, mga
2008,
pre-high school, o mga ganon, di ba?
2008 to 2012.
Yeah, so online games became a thing kasi nauso na yung dial-up connection.
DSL.
No, DSL dial-up, di ba?
DSL, yung meron ng connect sa phone.
Yun na yung medyo
Broadband
pero
na ba?
Dial-up talaga yung pinaka-first. Because
Dial-up.
Galing talaga yun sa like, any millennial kid knows the sound of the internet connecting. Yeah, that one.
Yung maglo-load ka pa.
Maglo-load ka pa ng like you have to top up the internet. Yun yung legit talaga na millennial
OG na
OG
internet.
sound. OG sound.
OG
Okay,
sound.
so pag pa nung dati, usong-uso yun. Uso rin yung Ragnarok Online. Yo, that was crazy. Like,
hulaan ko yung karakter mo, babae, no?
Nah, hindi.
Hindi!
Bini! Modest character. Swordsman ako doon.
Swordsman, babae.
Swordsman, babae. Swordswoman. Ragnarok Online, I was addicted to that one. Grabing laro ko. Any MMORPG back then, nilaro ko yun. Ragnarok or Run Online.
Run Online, grabe.
I tried Mobius before, Cabal.
Everything. Yes.
Grabe. Like, nauso talaga yung online games at that time. Then sabi ni Mama na parang, Dragonica,
we
Pirate
played together,
King.
di ba?
Shoot, grabe.
Pirate King. Grabe, dami nun.
So, nasabi ni Mama na, addicted ka na masyado dyan, ano nangyari sa studies mo, blah, 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 blah. And then, thank God, na okay pa rin yung grades ko. Hindi siya as in like parang naapektuhan.
Di naman.
Di naman siya naapektuhan because I was just very parang natuto ako at a very young age how to compartmentalize when to study and when to play. Parang ganon. Yeah, it's just so happens na yung mga instances na naglalaro ako, dun ako na huhuli ni Mama naglalaro instead na mag-study ako.
Yeah.
I'm already done studying po, pero doon ako nahuli kung saan naglalaro ako. Yung parang gano'n na mga instances.
Tignan mo muna yung grades before ka
Yeah, there you go. Pero yeah, there's nothing wrong naman for me. That's why for me, it felt easy. Pero I think for our parents, parang nahirapan
din sila.
Ano bang future ng batang do? Maglalaro lang ba
Dota.
Dota. Oh God, bro.
Pero those were the times, bro, na nagiging professional na yung mga mga games.
Like
sports.
It became a true talaga parang
true profession.
It's not just you playing hours and hours, on a screen. Now
it could be means of living.
Pero we didn't know that back then.
Yeah. All we have to do is play.
Kasi
like,
play lang.
fun.
It was meant to be entertainment, diba? You're not supposed to, you're not supposed to make money out of it.
So, going back to the question then, bro, what was the most memorable piece of tech that you have during childhood?
DS talaga. Nintendo DS, that's where it all started for
me is, PSP.
PSP.
Not my PSP, but my classmates' PSP.
I mean,
grabe.
Yeah, diba? Like at least that yung mga gadgets na yan, that was a gateway for us for technology. Kasi like even though it was just meant for games, it meant a whole world of possibilities. Kasi let's just say siguro nga parang delusional pakinggan na you're relating games to reality. But in a sense, games came from reality. Diba? Like meron talaga mga cases like one of the games that I really played so much sa DS was Harvest Moon. That was just about farming.
Yeah.
That was just about farming. So,
I played that game sa Game Boy.
Diba?
It's very addicting.
Yeah. Pero pwede mo ring isipin na it helped me in a way because like I said, para natutunan ko paano mag-compartmentalize ng information. Like, I'm gonna be playing this game, that's it. And then after that, study. And then siguro kailangan ko lumabas. All that stuff. I have to do my chores, blah, 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 blah. Pero meron talaga mga times na you get carried away. You play games siguro hanggang gabi, midnight. Diba?
Gabi ka lang?
Dude.
Ako hanggang madaling araw. Grabe, bro.
Yeah.
Promise.
It happens rin, diba? Pero, yun, still games at the end of the day. Very different yung experience ng games before than sa games today.
Yeah.
Siguro like when we try to compare siguro as parang batang 90s, like sobrang fast-paced ng games today.
Yeah.
It is. And I'm not opposed naman.
Tama. Kasi another topic, yung parang iba na din yung feeling, no? Naglalaro ka ngayon as adult as compared before na bata ka pa, wala kang iniisip. Kasi ngayon, meron ka ng responsibility. You should be making more money. Why are you playing? Parang yun na yung mental dialogue sa utak ko. Bakit naglalaro ka pa?
Yeah.
But for me, playing games is computer games.
Yeah.
Or any type of games is parang sort of escape from reality ba?
Yeah.
Na somehow merong escape na pwede kong temporarily kalimutan yung lahat ng mga problema ko, yung lahat ng mga responsibility.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, that happens to you. I did that as well. But ano yung escape mo na game?
Dota siguro.
Dota, yeah.
Kasi trash talk ka ng trash talk. No?
That's
diba?
That's
Alright.
true. Sarap mag-trash talk, no?
Oh, sarap ng trash talk.
Yeah, and then the other person on the other end of the screen, di ka kilala. Yung anonymity, basically. Like there are times talaga na, especially sa Dota, siguro back then, kasi yung Dota na alam natin talaga, or
Warcraft.
yung OG was Warcraft.
Warcraft 3.
Oh, Warcraft Frozen Throne.
Yes.
That was it. Doon
That was
galing
it.
yung Dota talaga.
Yep.
Dota 2 rather. But
Yes.
the original is just Dota, Defense of the
It's just
Asians.
mod
Lang siya, di ba?
modification
And then
map.
ginawa siyang Dota 2, which is official na talaga na yung MOBA. But back then, yung Frozen Throne wasn't even online. It was just LAN. So
Yes.
meaning, mas masarap yung trash talk. It's because the other person can
hear it. Tapos asaran.
Asaran, di ba?
Para talagang may pusta bahay, pusta
diba?
lupa, pusta pera.
Yeah, that was insane. Pero ngayon, iba na yung
It was a fight of, pride.
It was a fight of
Kami
pride.
ang pinakamagaling na, sa school.
Diba?
Dota team sa school. And for me, it was like bond. Lalo na sa kami mga Dota boys.
Yeah.
Sila Franklin, Lian,
Shout out,
Edward.
guys.
Si Dredd, iba yung nilalaro. Ano kaya yun?
Di pwede. Oy, I also played
Rated
I also
SPG.
played Dota with the boys, okay? Don't worry about it.
Pero,
Not every day.
paminsan.
Not all the
Kasi,
time. Not all the time.
merong.
I was playing something else, okay?
Okay.
Ragnarok Online. Joke lang.
Ano kaya yung nilalaro niya?
But yeah, like ano ba, like, that's, I think, tama rin naman yung, tama rin naman yung explanation mo when it comes to like games being some sort of escapism.
Yeah.
Diba?
Escapism.
Especially sa, the way we're working right now, we have responsibilities and there will be times na mababurn out tayo sa mga ginagawa
True.
natin. Our responsibilities are not that easy. We're basically experiencing yung same responsibilities ng parents natin before, but now with a little bit extra. Merong mga added factors na wala sila back then. They don't have social media back then. Wala sila external pressure but themselves or yung parents nila. Diba?
Kasi ako, every month, may humahabol sa aking kumpanya. Kaya mag-a-ask ako ng sa'yo, boss, ng increase. Alam mo sino yung naghahabol sa akin every month?
Sino?
Si electricity bill, si water bill,
Si water bill. Oh my God.
si internet bill, si home credit,
Oh, diba?
si
Rami.
pay later. Fuck! Sorry for the word. Fuck! Like, come on. This is really,
Yeah,
parang
and-
adult na.
Yeah, di ba kanina nga lang before we started, like we were talking about the games talaga, di ba? We were just talking about games and then after that yung why we even bother buying them
Or playing
or
them.
playing them kasi nga talaga it's a way for us to escape and then just take care of our mental well-being,
Yun
di ba? So it's healthy lang yung doses natin in a way. Hindi mo naman siya gagawing everyday, di ba? From what? Like ako, I play Total War. Dude, that game is a total time suck. I play like almost 10 hours every day back then.
Back then.
Oh.
Yung,
And then that's just only one campaign.
yeah.
Hindi mo pa tapos yung meron pang ibang mga other na things that you can play. So like, oh my God. If I na total na ng Steam yung yung total
Hours,
play
slot
hours ko sa Total War, it's like 920 hours.
Grabe.
Bro, imagine
That's
mo na lang yung,
That's so...
but like that's just for siguro mga pro gamers out there, like that's not even like that's nothing kasi
That's
I've
nothing,
seen
yeah.
people play yung parang ano ba yan, yung Shadow of Mordor, so I think they're logging in 3,000 hours. She was like, how did they do that? Walang tulog, bro.
That is their life.
Oh, that is their life. Pero totoo yun. Like, I've seen them log 3,000 hours for a
Grabe
game.
naman.
And I think those are the people who came from the, talaga yung mga batang 90s.
Yes.
You know, because they've played it, they lived it, kumbaga.
Yeah.
And then meron silang comparison between life before the technology and life
after
the
technology.
Parang ganun.
So, pivoting, bro. TV shows na naman tayo.
Oh, shit. Sige,
yung
go.
mga shows. So, what was your most memorable childhood na show? Like anime or cartoons?
I was gonna say sa Philippines, Sineskwela.
Putik. Cartoons, anime,
Wait.
sineskwela, ang putik.
Sabi niyo mo kasi I was gonna generalize as a show. Okay, Sineskwela. Yo, ang ganda kaya nung nila ng theme song nila kaya.
Sa sineskwela.
Di ba? It's a good show. Marami ka natutunan, right? Anime, I would say siguro Naruto. Of course, OG.
Yeah, OG.
Naruto, and then Inuyasha. Yeah.
Yung XX.
Original
pala.
And then Voltes 5.
Yes.
Kasama na sila ni Damios. Daimios ba yun? Yeah.
Damios?
Yeah. Daimos. Yun din.
Damios.
Japan yun. Yeah. Daimos. Daimos yun. Anime, yeah, yun lang sila actually. No, seryoso, bro.
Okay.
In public TV. Yo, ikaw, ano?
Sa akin, sineskwela sa'yo. Akin, Teletubbies. Teletubbies. Anime. Ano ba yung memorable anime sa akin?
Walang Dora? Dora the Explorer, bro?
Wala, bro.
Nothing was good.
Ang baduy. May tagip-tip si Dora.
Yo, sir, maganda yun. Sige, go. Ano pa?
Yamato na Jishiko siguro. The Wallflower. Anime. Ano pa ba? Flame of Recca. Pa ba? Voltes 5.
Yu Yu Hakusho, yung Ghost Fighter.
Yan. Eugene. Raygun!
Diba?
Ganon. May pag ganon. Naruto talaga din. Rasengan.
Wala, OG talaga yung Naruto.
OG talaga Naruto, bay. Ano talaga siya? Pangbatang 90s. You are not a 90s kids if you didn't see Naruto from the start. Hindi pa yung Shippuden, yung pinaka-start talaga.
Original pa talaga yung
grabe
first.
yun, bro.
Ba, yeah.
Samurai X, yan.
Samurai X was good.
Yeah, Samurai X. How about dramas?
Wala.
Never been into dramas. So, that's it for TV shows. Ano pa ba? I think, there's so much nostalgia in this episode, right?
Yeah. Yeah, you can see na parang excited tayo talking about it.
Yeah. It's
diba?
because,
like, tawa na tawa. It's because like it was a fun time.
It was a fun time na walang responsibility. Tama?
Yeah.
Walang bills, walang utang, ganyan. Walang wino-worry na future.
Yeah.
Right? So, what do you think, bro? If we are a full-fledged adult right now, do you think we are still kids inside?
Yes. We're still kids pa rin. Trying to figure out things.
But on another level, no?
Yeah. I think we're just, yung sabi pa nga na, especially, this goes more so on men, that men are just boys in adults' body. You know? So, that's why parang masabi ko rin na bata pa rin talaga tayo kasi at the end of the day, we still haven't figured things out, diba? Kasi like, meron tayong perception na adults have everything figured out. But when you become an adult as well, you start to realize that no. Hindi mo pa na i-experience lahat. Hindi mo pa natutunan lahat. You haven't met a lot of people yet. So you cannot be fully adult in a sense, or at least by definition or social definition of it. Kasi you're not completely an adult.
Tama.
You're still growing to become an adult. Kasi nga, di ba, we were talking about it siguro from past episodes na maturity is there's a level of maturity that you have to achieve in order to become a fully fledged adult, I would say. Pero, we're all working towards there. Nothing wrong naman siguro. Diba?
Laro-laro din pag may time, guys.
Yeah, of course. Laro-laro din. Wala namang problema if you take some time off just to play. Siguro na lang if...
Basta, wag niya lang kakalimutan yung mga responsibilities niyo. Lalo na yung Judith.
Si Judith. Huwag niyo kalimutan si Judith.
Si Judith.
Mahirap yun.
Mahirap yun.
Lagi kang hahabulin ni Judith.
Tsaka yung mga kumpanya na mahabol sa every single month.
Yeah, for sure. Like,
kalimutan yan.
Wag lang talaga. It's tough. It's tough being an adult. Accepted reality na lang. We'll just have to move on from that. Adulting is hard.
Adulting is hard.
Period.
But, that's life.
That is life. Life cannot be enjoyable if there is no hardships in it. We all find I think that's siguro yun yung parang let's just say parang wisdom na lang, na you can find joy talaga only when there is struggle.
Yeah.
Kasi you cannot appreciate something you do not have.
Yep.
If nandyan siya, kumbaga. Like, I don't know how am I gonna word that properly. You can only be happy talaga if hindi mo na naranasan ng maayos yung happiness. In a way. I'm like, the words are nandito na sa tongue ko. But yeah, siguro, but I can't.
To quote Mark Manson from the book, The Subtle Art of Not Giving a Fuck, sabi niya doon, don't search for happiness. Because true happiness comes from solving your problems.
Tama. Pwede yun.
Yeah. Solving your problems talaga. Like, if walang problema, what's the point?
Yep.
What's the point of living life? What's the point of life without struggle?
Yeah.
And that's already part of us. Yung nababas tayo dito sa world.
Oh, yeah.
So, any words, bro, na you could say sa mga batang 90s ngayon na we are getting old, we're not young anymore. Ano yung mapapayo mo sa kanila?
Stay classy. Joke lang. Have fun pa rin, Don't forget that we're still human. Meron tayong mga pagkukulang pa rin. We have needs. We can't just be always work. Ganyan ako dati. It was just work. Nakakapagod. That's why I actually like dito sa Philippines because like pwede ko i-mix talaga literally yung
work and play.
And that's the good thing. Di mo kailangan i-limit sarili mo to just keep on working because at the end of the day, like yung work mo, it's still gonna be there.
Yeah.
It's still gonna be there. Granted na siguro yung yung environment mo is maganda, so it will still be there. But if it's not, just move on. Meron ka pang skills na di mo pa na discover that you can leverage talaga to your advantage, and that will be the number one thing na pwede mag-propel sa'yo, and then you won't have to think about the other stuff anymore. Sabi mo pa ni Mark Manson, right? You gotta you need to focus on the things that matter more than the things that you think that matters.
Yeah.
Because there are things in life na totoo talaga, factual na nagmamatter compared sa mga things na iniisip mo na nagmamatter talaga.
You can choose the things that you can give a shit about or give a fuck about, and you can choose the things that you can give a fuck truly about. Yung truly talaga na nagmamatter sa'yo.
Yeah.
No matter how hard it is, push mo lang yan. And let us know in the comments naman if ano yung mga most memorable childhood moments nyo for the batang 90s.
Yeah.
And
I know there will be people na makakasabi na they like the beaches. That's what I think. Kasi like iba yung beaches before sa mga ngayon. But
yun lang.
Yeah. Yun lang. Relate lang kayo, and then after that, let me know in the comments kung saan yung favorite nyo na mga puntahan. Puntahan ko rin next time.
Dalawa lang si TA, bro.
Oo nga, dalawa na.
Dalawang call to action na yun.
Dalawang call to action para marami.
And I think that's it. We'll see you on the next podcast episode.